All right, guys. So hopefully if I have some time tomorrow, I'll get around to continuing on the DMR series. So if I can get through talk groups, then hopefully the next step will be to start programming this radio that we got from Bridgecom. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and at least get the thing on the charger so we can start tearing down that path. Let's get rid of these packing peanuts here. All right, so we got an Anytone AT-D168UV. This is a dual band analog and DMR radio. All right, so we got their manual. Bridgecom sent their own flyer on how to have a quick start guide and access to their training program. I'm actually kind of curious to see what they might mention that I don't. And yeah, we've got the radio itself here. Oh, it's jumping out of the box. That antenna is pushing its way out. I feel like I just opened one of those exploding butterfly cards. That's a pretty beefy thing. Looks like we've got 2 batteries to charge. That's pretty nice. One of these is actually, it looks like high cap. This one looks like a standard, and this one looks like a high cap battery. And we've got a USB-C charger that goes into that. That's pretty handy as well. And I guess a stock antenna here, or a stubby. Looks like out of the box, it wants me to set the clock. And we got a nice boot screen. So we won't get into programming this very moment. But I was kind of curious to see what it looked like coming up. Like I said, we'll get this thing charged, and then we'll program this together after we cover the talk group section.